Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Well, welcome to a yarn unboxing. Yes, indeed. I am going to do some yarn unboxing. I'm working on this as I bought the yarn, and I do have a yarn unboxing. This came from Turkey, and this is the yarn. So go and check the yarn unboxing. I am knitting a long cardigan. I'll just give you a finish the two sleeves, and now I'm just knitting the length of the cardigan. It's blazer collar. It's really hard to show because I have a small area here, but let me just give you a peek. Yeah, it's turning well. I hope this is going to be for me, but I think the yarn that I bought about 3 kilograms, and I think I can knit 2 cardigans. Okay, so the reason I'm here before I do the yarn unboxing, I just wanted to talk about the yarn that I buy. The yarn that I buy are from live streams on Instagram, which yarn sellers sell them live. And I've been buying this since the COVID hit, 2020. And like what they say is this is cashmere, alpaca, merino, I believe. It's a gorgeous yarn, and it's boucle. So what they say is 600 grams for 3 people. And you have to be very fast. And people buy from all over the world. If you buy it, you buy it. 3 people grabs this yarn. That's what live selling is about, and there's lots of sellers who does this. So I cannot give you out this seller's name because they only do it when they're doing live, and they have specific days that they post. So what I did is in I believe February I can't remember the dates, but I bought two live, I think it was 2 live streams that they did on Instagram. So this was on January that I grabbed, and I'm going to be knitting a sweater with this. It's so soft. It's not itchy at all. And that's the thing. You cannot find these yarn from local yarn shops. If you do, they're like, phew, very expensive. Which I did go to a local yarn shop, and I bought 100% merino wool, and it was boucle, and 100 grams I paid $40. So I crocheted the hat. It turned out fantastic, but the price is too high. So these live streams, most of these yarns are made in Italy or Turkey. They're the best good quality. And you can buy it online if you can find. You're lucky, but it's really, really hard to find. I'm having trouble where to look. I think I need to look over there, but but I'm trying to look at myself at the same time. So this yarn that I bought, it's about 13 kilograms that arrived today. They shipped it on Friday with regular post on the 11th, I believe, and today is the 11th. So they shipped it on Friday. Friday was the 5th of March, and it arrived today. So it arrived super fast, and it did not stuck on customs because they put it in a clear bag. That's the thing. So they know it's yarn. They can see it's yarn and nothing else. And I did not pay custom fee. So the yarn that I'm going to open, I just wanted to give you more information because I get this question a lot. If they have an Etsy shop or online shop, I will usually link it. But they sell it on Instagram, and they're not fast of shipping. That's another thing. So I don't want to recommend. You have to be patient. And they shipped it today, and I have 11 more kilograms waiting. I just did my adding here. So I bought 17 more quantity of yarn other than the one that I'm going to be opening. And it's already 12 kilograms over there sitting. So they haven't packed it, and this was like 2 weeks ago. So that's why I don't want to recommend, but I want to show you what I buy, and you can get the idea that there's beautiful yarn out there. And like this, like I'm going to be knitting alpaca. This is alpaca, beautiful boucle yarn. This is 1 kilogram. And I asked if they had more, because if I do this 2-ply, and I usually knit my cardigans long, so that's the reason I wanted more. Thank God they found about 1/4 of the cone of this, so I'm going to start that. So as soon as I finish this cardigan, I'm going to start the alpaca, and then I'm going to start I'm sorry, this is the cashmere, and then I'm going to start, I'm going to knit a sweater, and stay tuned for the tutorial. And I have other tutorials coming, but knitting takes time. Like I did a tutorial the other day. Crochet is very fast. I think I did this in 1 day, believe it or not. It went so fast. And I did the tutorial on how to join, so check those out. And this is the back, and I just use cotton yarn that I have in my stash. From now on, I swear I'm not buying any more yarn. I don't know if I get a custom order, that's a different story, if I need to buy it, but I'm going to put a stop to this. At least, I don't know, 6 months, we'll see. So I'm going to do yarn fasting, and I will try. I can only make 2 knit items a month, which is cardigans or sweaters. Other than that, like I said, this takes time to knit, and I do knit plus size, and they're pretty long. Yeah, they are long, unfortunately, and I love long. And most of them I post them on my Etsy shop. If it sells, that would be great. It would go towards my expenses, which is supply, yarn, and so on. So the yarn that I paid for this package that I'm going to open, it's 13 kilogram and 100 grams, so just over 13 kilogram. And I paid $750, or I'm just rounding it up, Canadian dollars, for the all of the yarn. And I know there's lots of yarn in there, lots of quantity, 17, 18, and I did buy boucle. I'm hoping that they're in this package. Boucle yarn to knit cardigans, yes. Because I live in Canada, and we do have long, cold winter. And even just a couple of days ago, it snowed here, and we're in April 11th already. So that's the reason I'm knitting thick wool items. And the shipping I paid, I believe, almost $300 if you round it, $290, I believe, Canadian again. This is for shipping with regular shipping, and they shipped it on Friday, and it arrived less than a week. It arrived, but when you count the business days, it's like 4 business days. It took 4 business days to arrive, Saturday and Sunday if you don't count it, but they do work on Saturdays and Sundays because the package moves, right? So I did not pay custom. I was lucky. The postman, he said he was taking over our regular delivery guy. I don't know. He dropped it at my door, and it was exciting. And I am nervous about it. So let's see what's inside, because I had to go back to check the pictures and see what I have. So I just wanted to give you the heads up. These yarns are not regular Michael's yarn, Hirschner's yarn. It's one of a kind that you cannot find at local yarn shops. You have to order them, like people dye, color, paint these yarn, and then make something out of it. So just to give you the heads up, so these yarns are one of a kind, cashmere, merino. They're all natural yarns. So I hope you like this video, and we will talk soon. Take care. Bye now. Continue knitting, and I'll start unpacking, unboxing my yarn. Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to unpack this. I already gave all the information on the intro. So I have to fresh my memory to see what I bought. It's been a while. It's in a clear bag. That's nice. Came with regular Post, Canada Post. Okay, sorry about the sound, but I have no other choice. Okay, so I'm unpacking one of the bags and lots of tape. I'm gonna wash the bedspread, so don't worry about it. I just need to put this something nice and clean. I did try to wipe it, but still it's dirty. Okay. I don't want to cut the yarn, so I'm just doing clip on the tapes. So this yarn is coming from overseas to Canada. Just gonna cut the bag because now I can feel the second bag. Just didn't want to cut the big bag. Oops. See? Sorry about it. Well, it's a big bag. And yeah, it's kind of hard. I'm getting old at this, really. Okay, here we go. Oh, I can see the bouquet on. There they are. I can see the yarn. Ink yarn. Let's move this. Can you see? I hope it's not blurry. I can't see the. Let's focus. Yeah, you can see the leg of the camera. Looks like the, what you call it, the thing you fell down. Okay. So there's dark gray. These are not black. They're all dark gray. Look at this color. This bag is pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's so. Okay, here's the boucle that I was just talking about. Okay. This is merino wool. I can feel the merino. Fantastic. This is, oh, it's pretty mohair. I can feel it. So I'm going to make a coat out of this. Black, that's black. See? As long as I'll start from top down again. Here's another merino wool. Nice and soft. This one was supposed to be dark green. Like, it's pretty dark. I don't know if you can see the color. But if you look at this and this, you can see it's very dark green. These are all 1 ply. I thought they were going to do 3, 4, 5 ply, but it's only 1 ply. They're only 1 ply. Beyzacığım, bunlar hep tek katlı. Thought she was gonna to knit it with 4mm knitting needle. These are all 1 ply. Oh well, see, this one's good. I can knit this with a 4mm knitting needle. Again, it's the same green, merino wool. Oh, this is soft. Yeah, this is nice. I can't remember, but I think there's, this is merino wool, lana, and a bit of cashmere, because I can feel it's nice and soft. This one's green as well. Again, green. These are all good quality yarn, I'm hoping. Again, merino wool. I believe there's cashmere in it. This one I can knit with a 4mm knitting needle. Nice color, eh? Oh, this is cotton. Oh, I don't know what. This was organic cotton. It's very nice and soft. This is black. This one's tied to this, so these are 2 huge cakes. Merino wool again. Merino wool. Same as this. So I'm gonna knit a sweater with this. It's nice and soft. Oops. The apartment is falling down. Here, oh, this is very soft. Luxurious. Fantastic. This is beautiful. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going to knit a sweater with this as well. Oh, this is lana. I can feel it. I think this and this are the same. Yeah, these are lana. Sheep wool, but soft, not like cashmere. Oh, this is nice and soft. Nice gray, huh? This cotton. You can, if I don't know if they're still selling on Ice Yarn, they sell this yarn as well. It's cotton wool blend, but mostly, I don't know, 90% cotton. Got a sweater quantity of that. Oh, look at this. This is for summery I bought. I hope I have enough to knit a summer top. It's nice and light and gray. Look at it. It's fantastic. So this one has linen in it, I believe, if I didn't forget. Beautiful. This is super soft again. Same, I think there's cashmere in this as well. Here's light blue. Nice, good quality. Again, I asked them to make it 4-weight so I can knit with a 4mm knitting needle. 3.5 to between 5.5mm knitting needles. Or else these are sold like these on with cones, so they're pretty thin. And then you do 2-strand, 3-strand to knit the desired that you want. And here's more pink. So these are all I bought to knit a quantity of yarn. This is something different. This is cotton, and I'm planning to knit the summer top. Look at this yarn. It has those tiny bouclés. Isn't this fantastic? Oh my goodness. So I bought a quantity to knit a summer top again, sleeveless of course. I'm gonna try to pull different yarn that I showed. So this is another yarn as the light gray, the same quality. So again, I bought the summer top. Oh, this is super soft. Oh my goodness. This is just fantastic. Oh, wow. This is very thin though. There's only 2 balls, I believe. 2 cakes. Oh, I think this is cashmere. Need to figure out if I knit with lace stitch. Okay. Here's the boucle I bought. Oh, this is fantastic. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, so soft. There's alpaca in these, merino wool. That's why they're nice and soft. So this is beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to go as fast as I can or else this video is going to take forever. Here's the blue, same, but this is way thinner. Oh, compared to that. So I need to do 2-ply. I don't think I have enough, but I'll work with it. Here's this beautiful camel color. Oh my goodness. Again, I need to do 2-ply to knit, but we'll see. Maybe a vest. This is the same. This is one of the best yarns that I have received. Okay. Here's purple. Boucle. If I can't knit a cardigan, I'll knit a sweater. Definitely. Look at these yarns. I'm going to pull that alpaca because I'm going to work on this. So at least I got something out of this. Doesn't say what's in it, but I know there's alpaca, merino wool, and alpaca, merino wool. Yeah. So I bought the 1 kilogram, and they have. So I'm just looking if I have different colors. Oh, here's a thick and thin. This one looks totally different. in a live person face to face. Oh, wow. This is thick and thin. I believe it's alpaca. Only 2 cakes. Okay, so I'm looking. I think I took, yeah, this is the same as that. There's nothing different. I showed all the colors that I bought. I haven't counted how many varieties, but there's more than 17 for sure. Yep. Isn't this gorgeous? This is different cotton. Just couldn't. Some people said you can knit towels, but I'm gonna knit. So there's only this amount to knit a summer top. Yeah, with these 2 cakes, whatever I can knit, I will knit and I will share it with you. Yeah. So I'm not gonna dump the rest because I already show you what I bought. Mostly them are very close to each other. But between the bouclés, this is one of my favorite because it's being thick. I can knit this alone. So this is what I like about it. And I think there's only two of them. Let me see. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's four. Four of this. So at least I can knit a winter coat with this. This is nice. But the rest of the bouclés, I think it's going to be a sweater quantity. Yeah, a lot of knitting involved. I will not do crochet with these because of the yarn quantity. I don't have enough to crochet with these beautiful yarn. Unfortunately, oh, this is so soft. I just can't explain. I think there's Angora rabbit in it. That's why. And cashmere merino wool, I believe. I forgot what's in it. But like I said in the intro, these yarn are all one of a kind, and they're very expensive because they're all natural. There's a little bit acrylic. I can't even knit socks with these. Just think about it because they won't last long because they're all natural fibers in these yarn. So all I can do is knit hats, scarves, shawls, uh, tops, sweaters, cardigans like that to wear. And I just wanted to share you this unboxing. It's overwhelming, yes it is. It is overwhelming. How many minutes have we been here? I've been trying to unbox it as fast as I can. But yeah, so with these I'm going to be making summer tops. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. They're nice and shiny. And these are all natural colors, like they're yeah, what you call these? I can't get the word out of my mouth. It's on my tongue, but yeah. Aren't these beautiful? These colors. Oh, look at them. So I hope you like this unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Enjoy the life to the fullest. Guys, take care. Now, I don't know where to put these. That's the thing. That is the thing.